Let's get on the plane.
Hey guys, so it is now January 15th and my trip is finally here, guys, and it's 12:09. We start boarding and like right now because I see everybody standing up. I decided that I was gonna go to the restaurant first. I'm saying why be good to me and my best. She in the bathroom right now. I was trying to finish my essay, but y'all don't know. So I'm trying to still finish that probably like while I'm on a plane or whatever. I just have this little bit on.
Puerto Rico, hora local son las 4:03.
Hey y'all, so we just arrived to the Airbnb. This is from the front door. I love it right here. Very much tea. Love that. And then this is our little living room space. And then this is the little kitchen area. Okay, so they got a little sliding door. You want to close it or not? But this is the little TV, the shower, that, and then the other room.
Real stuff, he got 6 toes, he a preacher. Watching everything, he don't get no fuck, he tryna lead some. Niggas know what happened about 4-9 when you bleed. Fuck up and no hold my bro, put niggas on the team. Killing all the rats, I'm robbing all the robbers. I'm real trap star from Vulture Island. Alright, don't move wrong in this bitch, I've been a shot son. Alright, the waist.
So motherfucking pretty! Yes! Okay, y'all, so we
go
just
to the club in the United States. So I think we just need to be out.
girl said in the United States. So yeah, I left my camera home, so like I'm gonna be recording off my phone.
We just taking shots. Had a whole drink for it.
Yes, y'all, we had some Tito's, so I know y'all probably can probably see
Everyone's
me.
trying to get Patron too. What?
Don't lie, you wanted the Patron first, and I said just get the Tito's, like. But it really didn't matter, y'all. I'm a love, y'all.
The face though.
Real bad, like I did that. I ate it up, ate the grub up.
We could have went to Berkey.
We could have went to Berkey.
We gonna definitely need some drunk food. It's
for
okay though.
sure.
I hope they got food though.
But yeah, y'all. So basically,
Yeah, I know. Y'all don't like it.
this is kind of what I got on. I'm gonna.
Y'all gotta get into it. Wait till she dead.
Y'all obviously see I'm a little, yeah. Right now it's 8:49, so I'll be back once we get to the place we have to be at. And I'm trying my best to like record the vlog and everything, so just bear with me.
Nuggets.
All right, how many nuggets do you want?
I want 10-piece combo.
Can I get the 10-piece combo nuggets, please?
Barbecue sauce?
No, sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour, the drink?
Can it be sweet tea? Everything fresh?
Okay, I have Coke, Sprite, Diet Coke, Fanta, and water.
You give me a Coke.
Okay, and then can I have the
I'm sorry, the drink you say? I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
Coke,
Coke,
please?
okay, I'm sorry. Continue.
Okay, and then can I get the Oreo McFlurry? And
Copy.
Oreos?
Just fine. I have caramel chocolate strawberry.
Oreo McFlurry, ¿quiere?
Sí, mi amor, tengo con caramelo, chocolate o fresa. O solo Oreo.
Solo Oreo.
Okay, anything else?
And can I have the crispy mac chicken with fries?
Crispy?
Yes, with the fries.
What's the regular one?
The regular, please.
Okay, with, you say Sprite?
Can I have sweet tea, please?
I have Wicked. I have Coke, Sprite, Diet Coke, Fanta, and water.
Can I have Sprite?
Sprite, okay, anything else?
That's it.
Okay,
Thank you,
that will
ma'am.
be 19 with 23 for sure.
19. Okay, yes, ma'am.
It's been so aggravating.
Hey guys, so it is now 1:06 and I'm now home. 12:06. Oh, 12:06. My bad, guys. We about to lay down and go to bed. I don't know if I go to bed, but we have some McDonald's. I think I showed y'all my food. I don't know, but I'm gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow. So, bye, guys. Hey guys, it's the next morning. 9:12 in the morning. We've been up since 7. We booked our excursion today, so today we're going to. What are we doing today? Beth, what excursion we doing? What is the excursion? All right, so first we're going to go to what that thing called? What is it called?
You're going to feed your belly.
I don't know if she's. I'm gonna actually wear this bathing suit, so I'm just waiting on her to get out the shower, and then I'm going to go take me a shower, and then I'm going to, you know, get ready and everything. Y'all, last night was so fun. I'm so mad that I didn't bring my camera. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera to the water slide or whatever, because I don't want my camera to get messed up, and I actually want to enjoy the waterfall. So I just insert clips from my phone. I really don't like it like that, because I like to actually see through like a good quality, because if I watch a video and I don't see good quality, I click off of it quick. But just stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, please. So I'll be right back after I take me a little shower. I'm gonna do some TikToks so she get out, but yeah, I'll be back. And your cousin fine, but she got behind me double time. You just shut. Yeah, she be pissing me off, because hurry up and come on. And you know you sure know how to pay the tax. I'm tired, lose what? Thank you.
She said she fucking with me the wrong way. I
think I know. One gray instead of two.
You looking like money.
It's a little dark.
It was that way when you was walking.
Hey y'all, so I'm now in this restaurant. It's 11:10. We have to be at the place by 12 so we can go to our excursion. Y'all probably can't hear me because it's kind of loud in here, but so I have me some French toast with some dairy. This is Nutella and Stella, and then she has a sandwich that looks like an egg sandwich with some chips.
Giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Man, I don't know no other man. You like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Beat around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go.
Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell sleeping on the mattress. I feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatics. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. I had fish in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. This love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drink gold, let these niggas know we've already. Smoking clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a
on our way to the rainforest. Yeah, we're on the way to the rainforest, and yeah, it's like a 45-minute drive. And do you have something to say?
No, we're gonna see you guys when we get there. I always wanted to do that.
No, you can't do it right here. It's right here. This is the camera.
Okay. We're gonna see you guys when we get there.
Damn. trying to be up. Oh, it's not my camera. It's the what you call it? The window. Yes, it's the glass. It's like I'm running. I'm gonna follow my shit. You don't go back. Yeah, I saw one while you were taking a picture. I was gonna eat chocolate. I see you over there. Ooh, the lightning is kind of crazy. Okay, y'all, so we just finished the excursions, but now, like, it comes with food, so, like, we're trying to get some food right now. So. Can I have the crab and then that down there?
The soup plantain?
Yeah. Thank you. Alright, y'all. We got our food. And this is the plantain. And this is crab. It's like a comforter kind of. But like just made like this. But it's good though. It's a crab fin. A crab fin. Crab fin. But this is a big sweet plantain. They say that there's 2 pips in here, but I don't know where they at. And this plantain is big as hell. It's 2. Oh, it have like beef or something. Beef and something else inside the middle. It just came out too. It's so hot. Oh, I couldn't even bite into it. I don't feel like cleaning up right now. Yeah, we looking at little souvenirs. I was like, why do you have tacos? What? What you did that? I was kayaking. You want it there? Let me tell us some Perio tea. Oh, I got this right here when I went to Bahamas. I got a lot of these and I don't use them. So don't do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna get that. Yeah, 22. Maybe like one of these keychains. Where you at? Excuse me. Oh, get my money. No, one of these. She want one of these. She have one in Bahamas. For real? Myself, get one in Puerto Rico. Oh, we want to just get another. Wait till we go to somewhere else. I'm gonna look down. We're not gonna look down. Oh, that's my first shirt from Puerto Rico. Oh, look! Someone who loves me very much got this shirt from Puerto Rico. Oh, that is so sweet. We're not coming back all the way over here. You think I'm for this? Yeah, we're the best. But we're not really sure. It was just Puerto Rico. Right. Let's hurry up. 1603. I'm gonna give you a dress, maybe. A dress. Come on, where you going? Hey y'all, I literally almost forgot to start vlogging. My camera just started showing that my camera is going dead. Get ready to go to dinner. This is what I have on so far. But right now I need to charge my camera, but I wanted to talk to y'all for a second. Okay guys, so we are now on the way to the restaurant. The one we was normally supposed to go to. We missed it because I had to do makeup and taking pictures. These heels is killing my feet already. My best right there. It's favorite tea, favorite mirror. Looks so good. But y'all, I'm gonna call y'all back in a second and y'all gonna see some lit stuff, because last night I wasn't able to record for real, but tonight I'm recording. Trust. Y'all, these roads are so bumpy and I really feel like I haven't been vlogging for real. So like I'm trying to get, hold on, my bad y'all, I'm trying to get better, so just bear with me for real. And y'all, it is now 10:24. Alright y'all, I'm gonna call y'all back because the light keep coming up and I don't understand why. So peace. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best, y'all. I told you I'm a little, yeah. I'm trying my best to remember to record, but now I'm at a restaurant and I have me some passion fruit.
Try avocado for the first time.
Yeah. Do you like it? I have avocado with shrimp on the top and plantain. The sauce with it is
okay. Me, I had a Cuban sandwich, fries, and this fire ass drink.
this drink's so intense. Yeah, she down in it, y'all. No, but she put it I'm tripping bad, best. I'm tripping bad, best. Yeah, look at this. You go crazy. You do. How I got you feeling this?
Obviously the drinks is a 10 out of 10. The food is a 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
10 out of 10.
Yes. $44, not bad.
Not bad.
The drink was only $10. Still me like this? The next day and it is 12:22. I just finished getting ready and we're about to go to brunch, and this is what I have on. Hold on, let me sit it in. TTT. We're gonna go make some videos and stuff, and then we're gonna go. We're supposed to have been left, but I take forever to get dressed. Guys, so we're gonna try this. I like this.
What you got? You didn't order yours?
No, he don't. You love it. Wait, did I order it?
No, I don't think she never done that.
That's
good. Maybe I'm gonna get another one. I don't know.
You got two?
No, one. Right now. I don't know if I'm getting another one.
We should try different kinds.
Try this one.
But that's really good. What is that?
Yes,
I have a burrito with tater tots, and then she have chicken and waffles. Obviously they have bacon and stuff, all that extra stuff.
Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you went 2 extra M. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went.
It's gonna ride some scooters. We waiting on the app to download, y'all. The restaurant was definitely a little
it was 10 out of 10, but the people in the back.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say an 8 out of 10 because the people in the back behind us was talking so loud, like they was literally screaming. But the food was very much good. The food came extremely quick, like y'all. And I didn't even order it when she ordered, and that stuff still came quick, y'all. Anyways, okay, y'all, I'll do that. Hi guys, so we're at the mosque. We're going right now, and I'm gonna go get the travel fedora. I think I already have the actual travel one. I'm gonna get the same one, Puerto Rico one. Okay? Excuse me. Hello. Do you have the
Puerto Rico charms?
Yeah.
Or something? It's like we went sold out like 2 or 3 days ago. Because you know the sun says now.
They sold out like that. I'm trying to fill them up. Hey guys, it is the last night here. I can't believe it, Jesus. I can't believe it. Don't mind my lips out because I'm gonna put me some lip gloss on, some pink, some lighter shade of lip gloss. We're about to go to dinner reservations for 9 o'clock. It is now 8:17, so we're gonna leave in about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna look for 10 minutes, and yeah, it only takes like 10 minutes to get there, so we'll be like 10 minutes early. This is the outfit. I think I showed y'all this the first night, but I ended up changing it to a dress instead. So this is now what I'm wearing here now. What else? Oh, did I say that we're going to a festival afterwards? I don't know why I'm like scooting down, and I already haven't been using my tripod, but honestly I'm gonna be having to cut this off. I mean, not cut it off, but like chop it up a little bit because we're always taking over my stuff. So don't save me, y'all. I didn't really do too much makeup today because it's gonna be hot out there, and it's been hot every day, and I'm just tired of the cakey makeup. Baby, I want to like feel free. Want to be able to rub my face. I just did a little bit of concealer just so like my pictures, and you have like a little, just a mini effect, just a mini effect. So just gonna put on my chain right now. Pick up your feet. It's this way. Thank you. Why don't you snatch it? Guys, she hurted me and she snatched it. And she's choking me. She made it as a choker. I need it to be big. We so tea and we besties. It's your bestie, Miss Westie. Don't try to. It's gonna get messy. We don't know what we doing. I think I lost. Dang. Imagine we doing anything and then we win hella money. You want $24? 24 cents. No, keep this, bro. Alright, give me money. Okay. See, you may win more than me though. You only have to keep it. Alright, y'all, we're finna play. What money ain't going? That money only went over. We need to get out here for real. We gotta go to the casino when we get home. I don't know how I'm gonna get in, but we gotta go. Alright. So we start now? Alright. I'm just trying to tell you what. Alright, come on. Alright, come on. Damn, I lost money. I'm trying to show you something. What's the number? Okay, wait. Y'all not waiting again? I ain't waiting nothing. You know, it's done, right? Yeah. Don't wait on the first. I take it out. No, first for that. That's ghetto. I want 33 cents that. That's ghetto. I didn't take that. I'm trying to show you how to play the machine, not answer it. What machine I play? Can you take me somebody how to play the machine? I lost all my money. Huh? Can you take me somebody I lost all my money to play the machine?